Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a very simple instrument, very accessible to all of us, and one of the favorites amongst folks who attend the sound baths that I've done at Peace Awareness Labyrinth and Gardens in Los Angeles. It's called the Koshi Chime, and here it is. It's a wind chime, but it's also actually a very highly tuned instrument, and it has the sweetest of tones. We're going to actually play 4 of these today: earth, wind, fire, and water. And in the Koshi chime, Koshi, they're called: earth is Terra, wind Aria, fire Ignis, and water Aqua. So I'm playing them in that order so that if you particularly like one or the other, you can always buy them. They're online, they're quite common these days. And I think they're made in the France or the Pyrenees. They sound Japanese, but they're made in Europe. So let's go into our meditation today in a very simple, sweet way. And once again, at the end of the meditation, there'll be some silence. And I won't bring you back. We'll just allow the silence to continue, and when the video stops, perhaps you'll continue with your meditation. Whatever pleases you, really. So please set your intention for the day. Remember, we're going to ask for the light now, from the highest and purest light, from the highest and purest source, to surround and fill whatever space you find yourself in at this time, and each one of us listening in now, for the highest good of all concerned. We always want to have that for the highest good. That's a really important factor. And at this time also, I want to place into this light Alani Boren, who went into hospital yesterday with a brain hemorrhage, and his family, his wife Kim, and his kids Haley and Jason. And Alani is Jan Shepard's son-in-law, for those of you who know Jan. So we just place him into the light. He's in ICU. And anyone else at this time that you wish to place into this light, please go ahead and do so. And also, of course, set your intention for what you would like out of this sound meditation. That's a really important point. And allow yourself to be taken to ride the sound to whatever level of consciousness it goes to, and even beyond that, into the spiritual heart of who you are and beyond.